So, I've been seeing YouTube's algorithm flooded with AI videos from AI channels lately, and I've noticed some of these channels were not only monetized, but were making a lot of money. With this being a channel about making money, I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity to experiment with making my own AI channel to see how much passive income I could earn from it. I'll discuss what programs I use to make the videos and why I stopped trying to push AI content for money in the long run. Let's get into it. So these AI videos that keep getting recommended to me are, for a lack of better term, slop. And many of these videos that were clearly low effort had millions and millions of views, so it makes you wonder, why even bother writing scripts, recording audio, editing the audio, then editing a video for 2 or 3 days when you can just pump out 2 or 3 AI videos a day instead? Well, after trying this out, it's not exactly as easy as I expected it to be. It's still work, especially if you want your channel to be monetized. Here's the thing, YouTube is really cracking down on AI content because it's being mass produced. However, the guidelines are a little vague, leaving many AI content creators wondering if they'll be monetized, and if so, how long will it last until strikes start popping up on their videos. So I did some research and found the best programs recommended by others for AI videos, and also looked into what was doing best for AI channels, which were animal videos. I don't know why, but people go absolutely bonkers for animal videos, particularly cats. So I named my channel something cute like Comet the Cat. And I'd read through all the YouTube guidelines with you, but don't want to bore you away, so in a nutshell, you can't upload a bunch of videos that you made with AI generators and just call it good. You have to add value to it. And you can do that with these steps. And yes, there are layers to this. Number 1 is uploading royalty-free background music from YouTube Studio under the Creator Music tab. I got all of my tracks for Comet the Cat by clicking Free, then sifting through the soundtracks and musicals genre with instrumentals only, because you don't want vocals interfering with the audio of your video. Number 2, now you're going to need to download Leonardo.ai. This is what you're going to use to create all of your videos with. Unfortunately, you only receive 150 tokens a month for the free version, which dries up really fast and is definitely not enough to even make one short video with. So I used the $12 a month subscription and got 8,500 tokens a month. I was able to use this to make one video a week for 1 month, posting a total of 11 videos on my channel, including shorts. Just a heads up, when using Leonardo.ai, choose the 16:9 on video dimensions so the video covers the full screen. This is going to make a huge difference and make your videos look a lot more professional. You can also choose the number of videos you want to generate at a time, but make sure you're descriptive while typing the prompt, which brings us up to number 3, Toolbaz. You can use many different sites for this, but I use Toolbaz to generate my scripts for free very quickly and easily. I kept it simple and told it to generate a 200 to 300 word story about an orange kitten named Comet the Cat who loves adventure. I told it to include themes of kindness, friendship, and exploring new places. Here's what it came up with. Just about the perfect length. Now to turn this into a voice, which is going to bring us to step 4. Go to 11labs.io. Here you'll receive 10,000 credits for free every month, which should be plenty to make quite a few videos with. You can search through the different voices to find the one that's right for your video, and make sure to adjust it to the right speed to match the pace of the video as well, because that also makes a big difference. I personally convert one paragraph at a time instead of all at once to edit piece by piece into my video, but use whichever format works for you best. I like to do it this way because it doesn't feel overwhelming. So now to piece all the audio together. I use FL Studio just because I'm really familiar with it, but you can use CapCut as well, which is also what I use to edit the videos with. So after we've layered the speech over the music, we'll add our sound effects to make it more authentic. You don't need to add sound effects for everything, but be sure to include them every 4 or 5 seconds, give or take a little, just to keep the audience's interest. Now that we have the audio finished, we match up the video frames in CapCut. To make it all sync up, it's okay to slow down the speed on some of your frames, or else you're gonna spend way too many credits to make a new frame for every 2 or 3 seconds. A lot of my frames are sped down to about 50 or 40%, with some of them being even 60% slower. My problem was that most of my videos weren't generating how I wanted them to, leaving me with tons of wasted credits and time, because they can take a while to load as well. AI doesn't quite understand how to get things right yet, and I can't justify using clips of my cat with 3 heads, or 2 legs and 2 butts, or a comet flying through walls and falling through the floor. Now, if I was making a true AI slop channel, I could use this, but knowing that a lot of kids are gonna watch this, I have to at least hold it up to some standards. It at least has to make sense. But of course, trying to actually match the videos up with the audio can be really difficult. Using this entire process, I could make a 2 to 3 minute video from start to finish in about 5 to 6 hours if I worked on it straight through. So it would be possible to make 2 or 3 of these a day if I really hustled hard, but let's get real. I got burned out already, and I got burned out fast. Because of work, distractions, and just your everyday obstacles in life, it actually took me a whole day, sometimes 2 days, just to finish one of these short videos. Because everything has to match up just right and the timing has to be not perfect, but good enough. Anyways, here are the results. After posting for a month, I ended up with 17 subscribers, with 9 of them being friends and people I know personally, so realistically we're only talking about 8 genuine subs. 4 videos and 7 shorts that I was able to make out of those 4 videos, and about 25 to 30 hours of invested work for 8 subs, most of them coming from the shorts and not the actual long videos. The first video immediately stopped getting traffic after 42 views. It's been 3 months now because I wanted to give it enough time to accumulate, but it hasn't had a single view in over 2 months. The second video only received 7 views, then that died too. The third video stopped getting views after 56, and I stopped after the fourth video because it died as well just after 15 views, and I'm not gonna keep working for the next 5 months or so for free. Sorry. The thing is, there is no guarantee for success here, especially in such an already oversaturated market. I could post 40 more videos, reach 1,000 subscribers, and still not get monetized. And I just don't have the time or energy to waste on something that has a decent chance of providing no return, especially if people aren't watching it. I also believe YouTube is going to be cracking down even harder on these types of channels in the future, and that's not something I'm willing to risk. I'd just rather stick to making original content that I care a lot more about. Plus, there's already an oversaturation of AI on YouTube, and I honestly don't want to contribute any further to that. So just keep that in mind if you're planning on starting your own AI channel. If you want to get monetized, it simply isn't as easy as uploading a bunch of AI slop like I initially thought it would be. You have to put in a lot of work and time if you want to succeed. However, if this is still something you're interested in doing, hopefully you'll find something about this video helpful. Do you think I should have done it longer than 1 month? Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you all for watching, and to stay up to date with future content, hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, save that money.